You miss me? Jessica Simpson, sing the chorus.
When you walked through the door, it was clear all the ones they adore, who they came to see. Rock star, baby, everybody wants you. Who can really blame you when the ones who made you?
Backed by popular demand, no pop a little fantastic if you can. You're ready to tackle any task that is at hand. How does it feel? Is it fantastic? Is it grand? Well, look at all the massive masses in the stands. Shady man, don't massacre the fans. Damn, I think Kim Kardashian's a man. She stopped him just cause he asked to put his hands on the massive Julius Maximus again. Squeeze it in, switch it and pass it to a friend. Can he come back as nasty as he can? Yes, he can. Don't ask me this again. He does not mean the lesbian friend. But Lindsay, please come back to seeing men. Samantha's a 2, you're practically a 10. I know you want me, girl. In fact, I see you grin. Now come in, girl.
Through the door, it was clear all the ones they adore, who they came to see.
Alright boys, what's up? Not much here. Out of the rooster and all out of that. No more. Pretty good stuff. Now I just have this wintergreen. I have a video up right now, so if you guys are watching this, you guys have already watched this, you guys have probably already watched it, because I don't know when this is gonna go up. So yeah, today is like the today is the 23rd and it's 8:51, but like I said, I don't know when this will be up, so yeah, it could be up tomorrow. I'm listening to a new song by Eminem, Jessica Simpson's in it. It's called We Made You. Pretty good song if you like Eminem. I love Eminem's songs, so yeah. When I get my license this summer, I want to go to east side of Detroit and go see where he lived and stuff, to them trailer courts. That'd be pretty fun. So yeah, I'm gonna check the time. 30. What's up, YouTubers? Not much here. Got me some rooster. It's already cracked. I bought this much in. Cracked it the other night when I made a video inside of my house. I'm not gonna put that much in. There's a lake over there. This is my neighbor's house. That's my fence right there to my house. But yeah, I thought it would be a cool place to make a video just over here. I want to leave some shout outs to Skull Lover 1989. He sent me some dip today, so hopefully he sent that off today. TX Dipper Gal or something like that. I seen her first new video. It's really good. What's up, YouTube? There's not much here. Just sitting here bored. It's 8:43. Before, after this video gets over, well, after this one's over, then I'll have your guys' shout outs, and then after that, if we have some time, then I'll be back here. So after this video, I hope you guys like your shout outs and everything. It's a big thanks to all my 63 subscribers, and all you guys. It's hopefully gonna have all you guys that make videos and stuff, and girls. So if there's enough time, then I'll be back. So yeah, be looking for your picture, and I hope you guys like it. But if not, I'm sorry. What's up, guys? Not much here. I just left a lot of shout outs and made 3 videos. And inside video, and a lake video, and another inside video, and now this video. And then I cut off at my last inside video and did your guys' shout outs, but I forgot some people. GhostStraw69, PhillyFan303. I haven't added him yet, or subscribed to him, or watched any of his videos, so I am after this video. 86F154, he's in the YouTube chat room thingy-majig. Big Dipper 09, Wilson, 80K Blue Collar, Grizzly 1994, and Bandit. So there you guys go. If I forgot you guys, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'll get you guys next video, so I'm out. Peace.